In an update to an ongoing story, the Federal Trade Commission has confirmed that it is seeking a temporary restraining order to prevent Microsoft's proposed $68.7 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard. This comes amid concerns of the deal closing imminently. The acquisition, aimed at bolstering Microsoft's Xbox and PC gaming division, has faced global regulatory scrutiny. The FTC, scheduled to hear its lawsuit against the acquisition in August, is attempting to prevent industry consolidation, citing potential consumer risks. The approval of the injunction hinges on the likely success of the lawsuit and potential harm during the legal process. Despite this, Activision Blizzard remains successful, recently setting launch sales record with Diablo 4.